Women's Euro 2025 final, a rematch with high stakes. Spain and England meet today in the final of the UEFA Women's Euro 2025 in Basel, Switzerland. This highly anticipated match is more than just a game. It is a rematch of the 2023 World Cup final, where Spain narrowly defeated England. Both teams come into this final with confidence and a strong record throughout the tournament. Fans and analysts have pointed to Spain's precision in midfield and England's attacking depth as key factors in what promises to be a close contest. Although both teams are familiar with high-pressure situations, this final adds a new level of expectation. England, still seeking their first major title since Euro 2022, have relied on experienced players and a clear tactical structure. Spain, on the other hand, have impressed with their quick passing and team coordination. Weather conditions in Basel, including heavy rain, may also play a role in how the match unfolds. Coaches have spoken about adjusting strategies depending on pitch conditions and crowd atmosphere. This final is also a reflection of the growing popularity and competitiveness of women's football. Ticket sales reached capacity weeks ago, and millions are expected to watch the match live around the world. Whether Spain defends their title or England claims revenge, today's match highlights the progress and passion of the women's game. It is not only a competition between two strong teams, but also a symbol of how far the sport has come.